Do you want to make money on YouTube as a content creator? If yes, this is the platform that will teach you what to do. Before we dive in, please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By doing that, you are helping me and you are also helping others to know about this. So please subscribe on my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I drop content, you will be the first person to see it. YouTube is a platform where people create content and at the end of the month, you earn money. But you can't just do that without meeting their criteria. There are people that are financially independent because of creating of content on YouTube. We talk about Mr. Beast is the highest YouTuber in the world. And when we talk about one of the most watched YouTube channel in Africa, in Nigeria, we talk about Mark Angel Comedy. So these people have spent a lot of time in creating content. And at the end of the month, they are being rewarded with what they have done. There are different ways to make money on YouTube. First and foremost, we talk about meeting your YouTube monetization criteria. And what are the monetization criteria? Number one, you need to have 1,000 subscribers. Number two, you need to have 4,000 watch time. When these two are completed, you will be eligible for monetization. The second way you can make money is through affiliate marketing. Maybe you have a website that are selling shoes, they are selling all kind of products. When people click on your link and buy something from there, you will be rewarded. Imagine you are being rewarded $10 and you have 1,000 views and you only have 100 persons that clicked on your link to buy anything from there. Know the amount you will earn. When you multiply 10 times 100, you know you are making $1,000. Even if your YouTube is not monetized yet, you can also make money from affiliate marketing. You know, there are also websites that they have free royalty sound that you can also affiliate with them. And when people buy things from them, you are getting a commission. So there are different ways to make money on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell because when I post the next video, you should be the first to see it. Thank you. God bless.